If you want to stop certain websites from opening in Google Chrome, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to block any website in Google Chrome so you can control your browsing. First, open up Chrome browser in your phone. The very first, go there and search for NextDNS. Then go to this first website, nextdns.io. Also, I will add this link in the description. And you will head to this page. Press on Try It Now. Scroll to the left and tap on Parental Controls. Add a website, app, or game. From here, add any website you want to block on your Chrome browser. Go back, press on Category. Here, select category you want to block, like I am adding porn sites. Once you choose all your sites you want to block, then go to Deny List. If there is a specific website you want to block on your phone, type here the URL. Once everything done, go back to Setup. Copy this DNS address from here. Then tap on these three dots here in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Privacy and Security. Scroll down. Here you will find an option as Use Secure DNS. Tap on it. Select Choose Another Provider. Paste here that address you were copied from there. Press on this tick icon to save the changes. And all the sites will be blocked from our browser. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.